So here we are at the old H10 out, and just got it cranked up, waiting for it to warm up. And of course we're, well, you know what we're doing. We're looking for a leak. Just letting the little sensor in here warm up. Well, looks like this thing's got a leak in it. So it can't get even close to it, so I'm trying to turn the sensitivity down. Let me switch it over to small. So there's that certain point where it won't pick it up anymore. But of course I'm not digging around the whole core. I just know that there's a leak in there, and I just wanted to kind of show the leak detector going off. Love that noise. Put it back on medium here. Thing gets heavy after a while. Anyway, so that's it. That's another leak. Another leaking coil. So we're going to go outside. We're going to do the maintenance, watch the coil and stuff like that, and see how low this thing really is. Give them the bad news, and then go to another frozen up unit. Alright, so here, if you look, pressures are, I got a 6-degree superheat, 61 pounds, so that tells me, just like everybody else, I've got a low airflow problem. But this is the unit that had the Freon leak on it. We just checked. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in there, cut a hole in the return, and see what happens when we get the hole in the return. Alright, so I've got me a hole marked here, and I'm almost done cutting it out. But wouldn't you know it, it's lines. So this duct is 20 inches by 8 inches lined, which means it makes it 18 by 6. So let's see what happens as I cut this out. I didn't realize it was lined, or I would have brought my big knife in here. Alright, so I've got the filter out of it too, trying to get more area to it. But look at that. That hole is pretty small. So anyway, let's go back outside now and check the superheat on it. Alright, so we just walked back outside. As you can see, I got a 12.3 and a 66.6. And but it's only been running, I mean, it's only been 2 minutes since we walked outside. So we're going to check this out and see how long it takes to get the pressure stabilized. But remember, it was at like 62 and 3-degree superheat. Look at it, wow. Look at it rising. Look at it rising and look at the suction pressure falling. Cool. We'll keep it posted. Alright, here we're back at the duculator looking at that job, and what we have it was a 20 by 8 line duct, so it's actually 18 by 14. So let's move our little number there. I'm sorry, it's 18 by 6, so I'm going the wrong way. Right there. So got it there. There's 6 and 18. So you see we're just over, we're not quite 12, and let's see what that gives us. At a 0.05, just under 400 CFM, so around 375. Alright, so that is a 2.5 ton system. So let's go over and see what we need for 1,000 CFM at 0.05. There you go. We would need at least, it's just right there at 16 inch. And it's got a 14, failed to show that on the video, but there's a 14 inch duct that comes at the top of that. They ovaled the start collar, and right in the top center of that drop duct they put a 14 inch round or hard pipe, or flex, I'm sorry. So you see it should be a 16. And down here, let's do a 25 inch drop duct. So it's 25, and here's where 25 and the line that intersects is 9. So I think what we'll do is have a 16 by 25, or let's see, what would 16 do? 16 by 14 would get us. So whatever the supply house has, it's probably going to be like 16 by 25 or something like that. That's what I wind up putting down, so it'll get plenty of airflow. But anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching.